Sales forecasts are often inaccurate, and one culprit is the method of multiplying revenues by probabilities. This technique is known as the percent weighted calculation or weighted forecast. Consider this example. You're managing 3 sales opportunities. A $100,000 deal with a 99% probability of closing. A $500,000 opportunity but only at 25%. And a $250,000 project with a 60% chance. Assuming these values are all genuine and dates are realistic, companies calculate their sales pipeline by multiplying expected revenue by the closure probability. So 99% of 100,000 yields $99,000. 25% of 500,000 equates to $125,000. And 60% of 250,000 results in $150,000, for a total forecast of $374,000. But here's the issue. The near certain $100,000 deal should count as just that, $100,000. Deals either close and you get the revenue, or don't close and you get zero. At 99%, this will close and the revenue will come. However, most of this forecast, $275,000, comes from deals with poor odds. This flawed method creates unrealistic expectations. Salespeople, aware of this and in effort to reduce their own exposure, might then underestimate revenue potential, lower probabilities of closing, delay expected closure dates, and intentionally hide uncertain opportunities. This behavior results in a chasm between the sales team and the company, leading to misallocated resources and slower growth. But there's a more precise approach. SalesWhip, a web application improving this forecasting process. Instead of mere multiplication, SalesWhip provides the most probable revenue range by using a Monte Carlo forecast engine to run many possible revenue results and selecting the most likely one. How does it work? Imagine a roster of opportunities. Rather than multiplying each opportunity's revenue by its probability, SalesWhip calculates various possible totals, randomly selecting deals and counting them at their full value. The frequency with which an opportunity appears in these totals mirrors its actual probability. Imagine it graphically in 100 possible simulations. In these simulations, a 15% opportunity appears randomly 15 times, and a 95% opportunity appears randomly 95 times. All opportunities in the pipeline are treated the same way. Each simulation is totaled, and totals are grouped in a meaningful way. Each group shows the number of simulations included in it. 34 times out of 100 simulations, the sales pipeline total was between $6 and $7 million. 28 times out of 100, the total was between $7 and $8 million. Adding these columns together supports the statement to stakeholders that 74% of these Monte Carlo forecast simulations show we will meet or beat $6 million revenue dollars for that forecast period. Monte Carlo forecasting provides both confidence and accuracy. Note here that if one were to err on the side of caution in terms of accuracy, the second most likely result is actually an even higher revenue amount, which is counterintuitive since most people would default to a lower revenue when erring on the side of caution. SalesWhip not only provides a confidence factor to forecasting, but it is also user-friendly, swift, and always accessible. It integrates with Salesforce.com and, soon, other CRM systems, and also exists as a standalone version for non-users of CRM systems. Discover the power of precise forecasting with SalesWhip.